how to change dictation shortcut on MacBook Air. And okay guys, here in your MacBook Air, okay, go to System Settings. Here in System Settings on left side, go to Keyboard. Here in Keyboard, okay, go to Dictation section. Here in Dictation, you can see the shortcut. And the shortcut is set and to press microphone icon. To change the dictation shortcut, okay, you'll have to do is click the arrow up and down button on the right side and you can see the option. So you can change the dictation shortcut into press control key twice, press globe key twice, press right command key twice, press left command key twice, or you can set into press either command key twice. And also you can customize the dictation shortcut by clicking the customize. And for my example, I set into press right command key twice, the dictation shortcut. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed dictation shortcut on MacBook Air. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.